Now let's look at exam preparation stage 2, and it really has a lot of different components. So we're going to break it up into 3 phases. One will be planning, one will be preparing, and one will be performing. And so let's start with the planning. This is exam preparation stage 2, remember, 1 to 2 weeks before the exam. So as you're planning to do very well on the exam, it's really important to review, or if you've not seen these for the first time, view the StudentLingo modules on exam preparation and reducing test anxiety, because this information is going to be very, very helpful. Also, it's important to construct practice exams with friends, and you can construct practice exams by taking your notes or taking the textbook and turning those headings into questions. So for example, if there were a heading that says titrating strong acids and strong bases, you might turn that into how do you titrate strong acids with strong bases. And when you construct that practice test, and it's fun when you do it with friends, then you're going to be compiling a lot of information that will be important for the final exam. It's very important to make sure that you go to all help sessions. Go to tutorial sessions. If you have supplemental instruction on your campus, go to those sessions. And many times instructors will start to have review sessions. Make sure you attend all of those. And also make sure that you locate the exam room and the time of the exam, because the final exam schedule is different than your regular class schedule. And I've seen students miss the first 15 minutes of a final exam because they went to the wrong room, or they thought it started at a different time. So if you do all of those things, you will have planned very well in preparation stage 2.